Hi everyone, so welcome to Ditzy Beauty, and I totally forgot to film an intro for this eyeshadow look. I've actually had my makeup on all day, and just now kind of realizing that I forgot to film an intro. So here's my intro, and let's hop into this video so you guys can get this eye look. So I'm going to be taking my primer pot, and I always use my middle finger, and I don't know why. There we go. We're just going to be applying that generously all over the lid. You guys, I didn't even want to get up today. I'm like still tired. I want to go back to bed. And I don't even know what I'm filming. So I guess this is kind of like a get ready with me. It's no Pacific makeup look yet. I'll figure out what I will call this eye when I'm done, I guess. So anyways, I am gonna go in with the color Like It's Hot. Yeah. And we're just gonna be taking it. Let's move that. Let's move that. Let's get my mirror closer. We're just gonna go in. And then I guess I'll go back and do this eye after. So we went in with Like It's Hot. And then I'm gonna take Big Gulp out of this palette. And it's just a brown color. And I'm just gonna dab that in my inner, or my outer, it's a brownish red, let me get this right. My outer corner. Let's just, I don't know. I'm just gonna take Juicy Fruit. I'm gonna put that on the rest of my lid. That's all I got for this look. Actually, I so totally just now lied. No, I did not. We're just gonna go with it. And if it looks bad, it looks bad. More Juicy Fruit. Oops. One of my palettes from yesterday just fell. Then I'm going to take Rose on this blending brush, and I'm just going to go around the edges here and kind of, I don't know, blend. And then I will clean it up with a baby wipe, and I'll be right back because I'm also going to do this side, clean this side up, and yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. As you can tell, I went ahead and finished this side off, and I forgot to clean that eye up. I'll do it after I do eyeliner. Okay, well anyways, I went ahead and did my eyeliner on this side, and now I'm going to do it on this side. I'm going to try to do it on camera for you guys, but I can't make any promises. Oops. As you can tell, that wing totally has failed. Blech. Okay, I'm gonna clean that up with a wipe, and hopefully I can fix it with a makeup wipe, because apparently today I can't do things. Because that looks like a hot mess. So I'm gonna take a makeup wipe. That's what I do in the mornings. I fix everything with a makeup wipe. It looks a little better, not 100% better, but that's okay. Take it under my eye too. Do the same on this side. And basically, I'm just cleaning up any fallout extras. And then sometimes I even go up and around in here just to make sure there's no weird color on my nose. And yeah, so there's the eye look. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my face. I'm gonna use my No Problem Pore Primer, which I'm almost out of. I'm gonna need some more of that. Take one pump. If I really want some coverage, or some smooth pores, I'll do 2 pumps. But when I go to work, I usually just do 1 because it's just work. It's not like the end of the world. And I just will start to blend that in. Ow. I think I have an ear infection coming on, so my ear hurts actually. Next, I'll do this side of my face. So there's that. Next, I am going to go in with my foundation. I'm going to be taking my foundation brush, which I know in my foundation video I'm using a beauty blender, but I have been using this, and it is a sonic blend brush. You can get this off of Amazon, and when I remember what the other brand of like electronic brushes, I will let you know, but as of right now I can't think of it. But I found a cheaper version because the Amazon version's pretty pricey in my opinion. So yeah, 1 pump of foundation. All you ever need is 1 pump. And I'm just gonna do cheek, nose, chin, forehead, and then I move my hair back a little, and I'm gonna do my neck. And now I'm gonna just turn this brush on, and it has a little button, and go doo, and turns green. And I like that setting. I don't know why. But there is more than one setting, which is nice. I always start with my neck just to make sure everything blends well. Once you get your foundation how you like it, go ahead and turn off your brush. That's what I do. Ow. Just pinched my finger in its case. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. So I'm just taking my NYX eyebrow gel in blonde, which I know I could do darker eyebrows if I wanted to, but I just still use my blonde. And next I'm going to go in with my setting powder, which I should have done that first and then my eyebrows, but it is what it is. And just dump a bit in. I'm going to get my kabuki brush I'm just gonna dab my face with powder. Start on the forehead, and then work your way to your cheeks. Sorry, I hold my breath sometimes when I do my foundation, so like, and then you do your neck. And you're just gonna blend that all in, and then, because we all know this happens, you're gonna get it all over your shirt. And what I do, I just shake my shirt off, and it should work. Next, I'm gonna go in with this Lamar Cosmetics blush palette, and I'm gonna take this blush brush, and I'm gonna go in with the middle shade, Isla, this one here. And I'm gonna smile and just apply it to the apples of my cheeks and back. Apple of cheek and back. So there's my blush. Next, I'm gonna be taking my, where is it? I guess I didn't bring a good highlight. Oh, I brought a highlight down, but it's not my favorite highlight. And it's just gonna have to do for this makeup look. And I'm gonna be applying it with my finger to right here and down a little. And just go a little over top my blush so I get a nice highlight going. Same for this side. I'm gonna take it, apply it here, drag it down. And then you can kind of see the highlight on the side. I think it's the lighting, but you can definitely see it on this side. And where I've applied it, and wipe off my hand. Next, I'm going to be applying my mascara. I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara currently. My tube is almost empty. It makes me so sad. So let's go ahead and apply. So there is my mascara. Alright, next I'm gonna just set it with my Morphe setting spray. This is my top favorite right now. And then next is Urban Decay setting spray. So dry, and there's your look. And I'll probably add lipstick in the car because that's what I always do, but I feel like I'm like very fiery eye today. But that is my complete makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me. Bye.